If you're having problems with the water supply to your handpiece, here are a few little tips to try before sending it in for repair. Firstly, run the handpiece. If you find there's no water coming, we first need to determine how far the water is actually coming. So, remove the handpiece and the coupling so that now all we have is our tubing here. You then want to turn on the tubing and check if the water is coming this far. As you can see, we have a good supply of water coming to the tubing, so there's no blockage within the tubing itself. We now want to check, is the water coming up through the coupling? So apply the coupling nice and tightly to the tubing. You'll notice that there's no water coming out of the coupling. Something to bear in mind is most couplings have what's called a water regulator around the edge of it. Now what you'll find is this may be turned off. If you adjust this and then turn it on again, you'll now see there's a plentiful water supply there. So we now know that we have water coming up the tubing and also through the coupling. If you find that it wasn't coming up through the coupling, a little thing to check would be check the water hole here, that it's not blocked with lime scale. If it is, give it a little pick away there and it should hopefully clear it up for you. If not, you may have to send your coupling in for to be looked at. We then apply the handpiece to the coupling. Now in the instance where we don't have water, simply take a little wire and you'll notice the water ports where the water is emitted from the head of the handpiece onto the burr. Take a little wire like this and go round each hole. Now this handpiece here has a quattro spray. There's 4 ports here, so those each need to have the wire inserted to try and free them up. Some handpieces will only have a single port at the below the burr here, and give that a clean out. If that doesn't work, you'll have to send the handpiece in for repair, as the problem will possibly lie further down into the fine tubings found within the handpiece itself.